10 unforgettable hotels and resorts around the world. A traveler's dream. Picture this. A world where every adventure becomes an epic tale. Where you can cozy up under the northern lights, dine in depths of the sea, and explore the most exotic corners of our planet. But here's the catch. We're not just going to show you these incredible places. We're going to take you inside, unraveling their secrets one by one. In this captivating journey, we're diving deep into the top 10 hotels and resorts that redefine luxury and offer experiences so extraordinary, they'll leave you yearning for more. So, fellow wanderer, get ready to uncover the hidden gems and untold stories behind each destination as we embark on a quest to ignite your curiosity and inspire your inner explorer. The world is vast, and the adventure begins now. Are you ready to dive in? Traveling the world as an adventurer has allowed us to explore diverse cultures and lifestyles, while experiencing some of the most remarkable hotels and resorts our planet has to offer. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the 10 best hotels and resorts we've had the privilege in visiting during our travels. Yukon Pines Cabin, Canada. Our journey begins with cozy retreat in Canada's northern wilderness, officially recognized by Guinness World Records as the coziest hotel room on Earth. Yukon Pines Cabin, nestled in the hearts of Canada's Yukon Territory, features a fireplace, heated bathroom, and all the necessities for escaping harsh winter conditions. Moreover, it provides an excellent opportunity to witness the mesmerizing northern lights. Imagine cuddling up in front of a roaring fire with your loved one, watching the dance of the auroras. It's an experience beyond imagination. Kree Eco Resort, Raja Ampat, Indonesia. For those seeking solitude and immersion in nature, Kree Eco Resort in Raja Ampat, Indonesia is a must-visit. Accessible only through challenging journeys, this eco-friendly resort offers overwater bungalows without air conditioning, providing a unique back-to-basics experience. You'll enjoy the simple pleasures of fans, local cuisine, and stunning blue water stretching as far as the eye can see. Raja Ampat is renowned for its marine biodiversity, making it one of the less aquatic paradises on Earth. If you're a scuba diver, snorkeler, or simply someone yearning for untouched beauty, this is your sanctuary. Wapa di Ume, Karangasem, Bali, Indonesia. In the Karangasem region of Bali lies Wapa di Ume, a resort that transports you to a world where time stands still. Perched on a hillside, this gem offers breathtaking views of lush rice terraces, towering volcanoes, and majestic mountains. The room design is a masterpiece, complete with private plunge pools and 180 degrees view of the surrounding landscapes. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or seeking a tranquil escape, Wapa di Ume delivers. Anantara Jabal Shams, Oman. Our journey ascends to the rocky heights of Oman with a visit to Anantara Jabal Shams. This unique resort offers an exhilarating experience, including rock climbing and zip lining, all set against the backdrop of stunning mountain scenery. What makes it even more special is the connection we felt with the place. The food, service, and amenities were impeccable, but it was the opportunity to climb the rugged rock faces and zipline alongside fearless mountain goats that left a lasting impression. Oman may not be on everyone's travel radar, but this hidden gem is worth discovering. The Atlantis, Dubai, UAE. Prepare to be dazzled by the opulence as we step into the Atlantis, a renowned icon of luxury in Dubai. The Atlantis offers a myriad of lavish experiences, including a $25,000 night suite that boasts every imaginable comfort and indulgence. However, what truly sets this resort apart is the underwater suite, a steal at $12,000 a night. Picture yourself waking up or bathing with the world's largest aquarium at your backdrop. Watching sharks and exotic fish glide by, it's a surreal experience that transcends the boundaries of luxury. Octopus Island Resort, Yasawa Islands, Fiji. Our journey now takes place to Fiji, where the Octopus Islands Resort awaits. This remote gem offers open-concept room with fans instead of air conditioning, creating an intimate connection with the surrounding environment. With only one restaurant on the island, you'll be on a meal plan that features locally caught and growing ingredients, resulting in fresh and delightful cuisine. Surrounded by pristine mountains, blue waters, and an abundance of marine life. Octopus Island Resort is a secluded paradise that offers a world-class experience without the crowds. White Pots Hotel, Swiss Alps, Switzerland. Venturing into the Swiss Alps, we discovered the White Pots Hotel, a unique escape set against a backdrop of breathtaking mountain vistas. Here, you'll find a perfect blend of nature and comfort, complete with private saunas. While Switzerland is known for its high prices, the experience is well worth it. Picture yourself savoring local delicacies and gazing at the vineyards from which your wine was sourced. White Pots Hotel is an idyllic retreat that offers an escape from the ordinary. La Mumunia, Marrakesh, Morocco. From the Swiss Alps, we embark on the journey to the exotic city of Marrakesh, Morocco. La Mumunia, a palace-like hotel, beckons with its enchanting architecture, intricate tiles, and lush courtyards. You'll find yourself surrounded by beautiful Moroccan rugs and never-ending courtyard filled with greenery. A highlight is the magical pool, often left untouched by guests, creating an oasis of tranquility. Every corner of La Mumunia tells a story, making it a sensory feast for the discerning traveler. Sunevakiri, Kokud, Thailand. Our adventure now transports us to the Thai islands of Kokud, where Sunevakiri offers a captivating blend of luxury and nature. This eco-friendly resort features unique amenities, including a dedicated cheese room and access to private runway for swift arrivals from Bangkok. The Treehouse, with its platform that rises and falls, offers an extraordinary dining experience, complete with servers arriving on zip lines. With stunning views, private pools, and delightful ambience, Sunevakiri is an escape like no other. Songsa Private Islands, Cambodia. Prepare to be mesmerized by Songsa Private Island, a world-class luxury resort nestled in the pristine waters of Cambodia. With overwater villas, azure horizons, and no shortage of activities, this destination is perfect for couples and love-seeking tranquility. The highlight, however, is the unique dining experience at the resort's restaurant, which stands above the crystal-clear waters. Songsa Private Island offers the perfect balance of serenity and luxury. These hotels and resorts have left an indelible mark on our travels, each offering a unique experience that we'll forever cherish. From cozy cabins in the Canadian wilderness to the underwater suites in Dubai, and from the remote island paradises to luxury lodges in the heart of the Amazon, this destination spans the globe and caters to every type of traveler. As you dream of your future travels, consider adding these remarkable places to your bucket list. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a combination of both, these hotels and resorts offer an opportunity to create lasting memories and immerse yourself in the beauty of the world. This is Destination Zen. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating videos like these. I hope you enjoy your travels. And remember that the journey is just as important as the destination.